Home is a place where memories are created, laughters are shared, and bonds grow stronger. A thoughtful design can transform your home into a warm, loving heaven. A home symbolizes the character of the people in it. A home is the space where it's always filled with love, warmth, and security. A place where you find spirituality and peacefulness. A home is a place where you and your family can share your feelings with each other and where one can bond with one another. Where you feel the tradition and antiquity. A place where design is not merely paint on the walls. A place where one is connected to modernity and technology. When Satya invited me to his lovely cozy home, little did I expect to see the new interiors that he has gotten done, which is full of love and warmth. Hi Satya.
Hi.
Satya, I love your new decor.
Hey, thank you very much. Bani, ಒಂದು ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Sure.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes.
Let me just help her make the coffee.
Coffee is superb.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
How did you contact Joby Joseph for your home project?
Oh, actually, we had some thoughts, but we wanted to figure out someone who can actually put life into those thoughts. So she did a lot of research on the internet, and that's how we found Joby.
ಆನಂದವನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನೇನು ಹೆಸರು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವೋ ಈ ಮನೆ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹೆಸರು ಆನಂದವನ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ವಕರ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು.
Interesting. Tell me, how did your design process go?
That was equally interesting for us. So when we first met him, we were expecting that he's going to show us, 5 designs or 10 designs and say, this is going to be your cost. If you choose this is the alternative, etc. Nothing happened like that.
ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಪಯಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್, ವಿತ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ವಿ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ವಾರ್ಮ್ತ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಡೀಪ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಇದಾಗಲಿ, ಹೌ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ that bonding, what is the common feature in all the 4 of us was what he brought in actually. Then he found out that the commonality in all the 4 of us is music. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಸೇನಿತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನನಸು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ, ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ವಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್.
How did Joby address your concerns regarding the designs and finishings?
Finishing wise, I had only one question about the wall and the pillar near the wall, and he gave the suggestions, and his creative ideas was beyond my expectations.
See, I think what Joby did was, like Sangeeta said, he gave life to what thoughts we had. So our biggest concern was who's going to do this, and I think we found the right guy. But then during the journey, we did have quite a bit of interactions. But the essence of all of this, what I would want to bring out is I have a concern, the guy has 5 solutions, right? And he doesn't ask you for a solution. He says, I am working on these 5 solutions. These are things I'm looking at. And then in his mind, he's already processing what is the best of the 5 and comes out with that. And every time we've had a chat, maybe about, let's say, the mural that's on the foyer. Hag martira, how are you going to do it? He has come out exceeding our expectations all the time, every time. A mural is one example. The other one was the brick wall that was there, right? Brick wall, ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಡ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತಾ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್. ಸೊ he knew the right mix and the right way of handling that.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮೀ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Yes.
And we still had some questions, but still, or believe me, this is going to come out well. That confidence, that thing he had, to give his best. We are not customers, we are like family now. That is how it has come out now.
How was your overall experience ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್?
ಈ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮನೆ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಮನೆ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಈ ಮನೆ ಹೆಸರು ಆನಂದವನ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ನೂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನರಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಆನಂದವನ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಾಗಿಲು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತನಕ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಆನಂದವನವಾಗೇ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್.
Yeah, absolutely right. We did have some discussions about what kind of tiling has to happen here, and that pillar though. The pillar was one big discussion. Should we cover the pillar? Next to the pillar, should we cover it? Not cover it? So we went through a full journey. But I think in this whole process, Joby exactly knew what he has to give, and how this whole thing is going to come out. I think he was more clearer than any of us. That really helped us. So now ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ವಿ, but at the end of the day, we were sure what we're going to get is something which is beyond our own imagination. I think that he proved it every time.
What was the feedback that you got from friends and family after they saw your beautiful home?
Wow, this is an exciting question for me. A lot of them have visited us, they have stayed with us, and every time people have come, the first thing they say is, they're completely astonished, starting right from the foyer where those murals are. Then they look at the pillar and say, boss, what is this? It's a completely, even the city nalli ee tara pillar gillar hakondu apartment alli ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. It's amazing. And then the best part is this jhula. They've just loved it. All of them have taken pics, put it on social media, and they have got so much of likes, and there's a feedback that's come that everybody has liked this whole thing. I think what really everybody mentioned was some kind of a cohesion that is there in the whole thing. There is each design is talking to the next one. When they kind of move from the foyer to the hall to the kitchen and to the jhula and the furnishing. Everything has some kind of a story that's kind of woved. That's the theme I get from everybody. Overall, it's been it's a fantastic experience working with Joby, and this is the common thread that I have as a feedback that I've got from every friend and every relative of mine.
Your home is where love, warmth, and family come alive. Let's celebrate homes that nurture togetherness and joy.